Let's get a closer look here. We also have the real wood upgrade in this. This is real wood that's been charred to blacken it. We have a lit ember bed, and we have a mirrored background, so it creates more depth and gives you that appearance that the flames are actually coming through the logs. That's actually one set of logs in there, but it gives it that depth because of that background. I mentioned that this was the hybrid flame. I'm going to grab the remote here. Let's show you a couple of real cool features of this fireplace. First, one of my favorite features. I didn't think I would like this at first, but it really grew on me, and that is the crackling fireplace sound. So let's have a listen.